Right, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, the weather's horrible outside, the reason I've started the intro in here, but we are with a Micra 1.3. But no normal Micra 1.3, no, this is turboed and pushing some unbelievable power and some unbelievable passion from a man Paul.
Hello.
So yeah, what is the inspiration for the car?
Well, I've always been into cars, and the Micra was my first vehicle, and then since I restored the car from the beginning, began driving it and just fell in love with it. Everything is very mechanical and very connected, and that's what I liked about it.
Yeah.
And then from one thing to another,
here we are.
Yeah, here we are. Just opportunities just come along and just play around with it. And then I started going on track days and pushing it harder, and then just experimenting. This is like a working prototype.
Yeah, absolutely.
And being a passionate designer and engineer is just I like tinkering and making things better, stronger. You know? And it's my expression of honing my skills to build the best car I can. To take a car on track and just drive the heck out of it, and it takes me home as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, reliable as well as
reliable,
trackworthy,
economical, high performance, comfortable.
Yeah, exactly.
All those factors, you know, and looks subtle on the outside.
Yeah, sleeper, absolute sleeper.
Yeah. And it brings a smile to your face.
Oh my god, as you can see, the smile hasn't came off mine. Talking about the car anyway, what have you done to the car?
Well, how much time have you got?
Let's go for the basics.
It's got at least about 30 modifications onto it, and that's a pain in the ass to insure.
Yeah.
You can see. Well, basically, the engine is a 1.3 litre block.
Right.
And it has 4 JE forged pistons inside to withstand the boost pressure, makes it stronger. The crank assembly has been finally balanced so it can rev up high with no down effects. The oil control system has been custom made, so on the track when I go on the high G forces, oil is kept. When I looked in Motorsport, I just thought, make a trapdoor sort of baffle inside, and the windage tray, and all that is custom made. I designed from scratch, and it works, you know.
God.
So that controls the oil. The Flywheel is a Jun 3.4 kilogram racing flywheel.
Right, right.
So it just revs like a motorcycle.
Yeah.
The clutch, in order to withstand the 150 foot-pounds of torque that this turbo produces, I've fitted a 200mm Helix organic clutch. Really heavy.
Yeah, yeah. As
you try it.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is basically bulletproof. It'll handle anything I can throw at it. The transmission is a standard 1.3 litre gearbox, surprisingly durable. It's survived all these years. You know. To handle traction, it's got a gripper LSD differential,
right.
A clutch type differential. I've broken many of them over the years. Now it's reliable. The turbo I fitted is a Turbo Technics S116, which is a high-flowing T2 Stage 1 for a Renault 5 GT.
Right, right.
And that produces 12.3 psi. The management is it's running this tune, which is a daughter board that you put onto the standard ECU.
Right.
And it's fitted by Edward Ralph, who runs Fusion Motorsport down in Surrey.
Right, okay,
Specialises in Japanese cars. And he's tuned this on a dyno according to my application. So I use this car daily, on a daily basis.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's economical and practical.
Yeah.
But then I can take it on track days and thrash the heck out of this, and it won't break.
Yeah, yeah,
And then drive it all the way back home. So with all that set up, it produces 162 horsepower.
God.
Over twice the original. 150 foot-pounds of torque. It does on a road 0 to 60 in about just under 7.5 seconds.
In there, yeah.
And at Santapod drag strip, I've gone a quarter mile in about 14.8 seconds.
God.
So it's nippy.
Yeah, absolutely. No way, no way.
Suspension wise, this has BC V1 fully adjustable coilovers. It's all been corner balanced, so on the road I turn it down soft and it cushions the bumps.
Yeah, yeah.
On track I turn it full hard.
Right hard.
It's stiff. It's got white line and sway bars, so it handles like a go-kart.
Yeah, 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 absolutely.
The suspension geometry, I specifically custom made some low ball joint extensions, so it corrects the roll centre, so it won't lean as much.
Yeah.
Brakes, all fully custom made from a Pulsar GTIR, Nissan Pulsar GTR. So it can handle all that abuse, no problem.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Even if the discs are glowing orange.
Yeah, yeah.
It's running Predator. Black Diamond Predator fast track pads,
right?
So really good pads, recommended.
You just went all out, haven't you? Like you said before, you could go on and on and on. How much time have we got here? But you know what I love? The fact is, most people who had this type of car, they change the gear stick to like a racy style gear stick, race style steering wheel. Do you know what I mean? But look, like standing steering wheel, standing this and it's just a total sleeper. Yeah.
It maintains a balance of high performance on the inside, subtle on the outside, and luxury on the inside.
Yeah.
Kept all the interior.
Yeah,
and
the homely feel to it. That's what it is. The homely feel to it.
So hence I could use it every day and go on road trips, go to Germany and Nürburgring and all around the UK.
Yeah, he's been to Nürburgring. He's drove there, tracked it, drove back. You've been everywhere, haven't you? Really, it's been a home away from home.
Yeah. So I built her from scratch and then take her on an adventure, and she's taken me places. You know.
Woo!
So love it.
Absolutely. Well, like I say, guys, we could go on forever, but if you have got any questions, Paul will be happy to answer. Just hit in the comments below. Hit the like button, please, because you've got to like this car. What is there not to like about it, honestly? Paul, he's got a website. He's got a YouTube channel, if you want to put that in there.
I've made a fully detailed spec list for this vehicle. So if you Google polymobile specification, I'll put a link to it. It'll show you all the details about the car, all the dyno printouts, including my YouTube channel, which has all of my onboard videos showing everything about the car. My YouTube channel is Poly Pop.
We'll put that on the screen. We'll put it on the screen.
It's a long story how I came up with that, but
another day.
That has all my videos, and looking forward to see it.
Absolutely, mate. Absolutely. This has been absolutely wicked, mate. It really has. Right, guys, like I say, any questions, put them below, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next video, peace out.
Cheerio.
Take care. We're absolutely wicked, mate, honestly.
Nice.